So let's solve this problem. So find the equation of the circle with center at -4, -5, and tangent to the line 2x plus 7y minus 10 equals 0. So first, we need to graph this given. So for the circle with center -4 and -5, and this tangent line 2x plus 7y minus 10. So for this tangent line, we need to find first the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So for the y-intercept, we let x equal 0. So from this equation, x equals 0 plus 7y minus 10 equals 0. Then to solve for y, so this is 0, transpose -10 to the other side. So this becomes +10, and divide both sides by 7 to solve for y, and this 10 divided by 7, so y equals 1.43. So the coordinate for the y-intercept, x is 0 and y is 1.43. So this is now the coordinate. Then to solve for the x-intercept, we let y equal 0. Then from this equation, so y equals 0, and to solve for x, transpose this -10 to the other side, so this becomes 2x equals +10. Then to solve for x, divide both sides by 2. So x equals +5. So the coordinate for the x-intercept, x is 5, y is 0. So this is now the coordinate for 5 and 0. And this is now the graph for the line 2x plus 7y minus 10 equals 0. Then for the circle at center, -4 and -5. So x is -4, y is -5. So this is now the point of the center, -4 and -5. So this is now the graph for the circle, tangent to this line, 2x plus 7y minus 10 equals 0. So to find now the equation for the circle, first, we need to find the radius of the circle. So from the center to the tangent line, and formula for the radius, so we have a times x sub 1 plus b times y sub 1 plus c all over the square root of a squared plus b squared. So for the values for a, b, and c from the tangent line, and this is a, b, and c. Then for x sub 1 and y sub 1 from the coordinate of the center, so this is x sub 1 and y sub 1. Then substitute now all the values to solve for the radius. So we have a times x sub 1. A is +2, x sub 1 is -4. Then plus b times y sub 1. B is +7, y sub 1 is -5. Then plus c, since c is -10, so therefore minus 10, then over the square root of a squared and b squared. So a is +2 and b is +7, so we have 2 squared plus 7 squared. Then to simplify, so this 2 times -4, this is -8. 7 times -5, that's -35. Then bring down -10. Then over the square root of 2 squared, that's 4. 7 squared is 49. Then we have -8, negative 35, and negative 10, that's negative 53. Then for this 4 times 49, so over the square root of 53. Then to simplify, to find out the radius. So take note that radius is always positive, so we need to ignore the negative. So we have 53 divided by the square root of 53 equals, so the radius is equal to 7.28. So since we have now the radius and the center of the circle, so we can find now the equation of the circle from this formula. So we have the quantity of x minus h to the power 2 plus the quantity of y minus k to the power 2 equals r squared, or the radius. Then for h and k, so this is from the center of the circle. So this is h and this is k. So h is negative 4 and k is negative 5. Then substitute now the values for h, k, and r. So we have x minus h, and h is negative 4. Then plus y minus k, and k is negative 5. Then equals r. R is the radius. That's 7.28. Then simplify. So this double negative. So this becomes positive. Then this double negative. So this becomes positive. And this 7.28 to the power 2. So we have 7.28 to the power 2 equals, so that's equal to 53. So this is equal to 53, and this is now the equation, or the standard equation of the circle. Then to find the general equation of the circle, so we just need to expand the square of a binomial. So this quantity of x plus 4 to the power 2 to expand, this is equal to x squared plus 8x plus 16. Then plus, for this y plus 5 quantity to the power 2 to expand, this is equal to y squared plus 10y plus 25. And transpose this positive 53 to the other side. So this becomes negative 53 equals 0. Then to arrange now this equation to find the general equation of the circle. So starts with x squared, followed by y squared, followed by positive 8x. Then we have this positive 10y. Then we need to combine now all the constant. So this 16 plus 25, this is 41. And 41 minus 53, that's negative 12, equals 0. And this is now the general equation of the circle.